Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this beautiful crochet earrings. I call them cloud flower earrings, and it's a super simple, super easy pattern like any other earring pattern. And if you want a free written pattern of this earring, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And if you like to follow me on my social media, do follow me on my Instagram where I post project updates and fun reels. I guess you will like it. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. For this pattern, I'm gonna use the size 8 cotton crochet thread. You can buy these crochet thread from Hobby Lobby, Amazon or Etsy. And I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook for working these earrings. And they come in many colors and they're super soft and super easy to work with. So for round 1, I'm going to work a magic ring, and we are going to work double crochet 2 together. Since this is our first double crochet 2 together, I'm going to start with chain 2 and work a double crochet together. So this is considered as my first double crochet 2 together. Then I'm going to work a chain 4 and I'm going to work double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 4 more times. So for our first round 1, we should have 5 double crochet 2 together with in between chain 4 spaces. So that's my second double crochet 2 together with followed by a chain 4, and then I'm going to work my next double crochet 2 together and then work a chain 4. So now that we have worked 3 double crochet 2 together with in between chain 4 spaces, I'm going to work 2 more double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 4 space to complete our round 1. So once our round 1 is complete, that is once we have worked our last double crochet 2 together followed by a chain 4, I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 1. So continue along with round 1. I'll meet you at the end of round 1. So now I have worked my last chain 4. I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 2 double crochet together to close this round 1. And once this is done, I'm going to tighten my magic ring and secure it with a knot before proceeding with my round 2. So this is super simple earrings. There is only 2 rounds. So before proceeding with the next round, I'm going to work a slip stitch on my nearby chain 4 space. Then I'm going to work a chain 1, which does not count as a stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet and work a chain 5, and then I'm going to work 1 double treble crochet. We are going to yarn over 3 times for this double treble crochet, and then I'm going to work 1 triple crochet. We'll yarn over twice for triple crochet and then 1 double crochet, and then I'm going to work 1 triple crochet, and then I'm going to work 1 double triple crochet. So we work a chain 5, 1 double triple, 1 triple, 1 double, and then once again triple, 1 double triple, and then chain 5 and 1 single crochet. So all these stitches go on the chain 4 space. So this makes 1 petal for our earrings. So in the very next chain 4 space, again work a single crochet, chain 5, 1 double triple crochet, and then 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 double triple crochet, and then chain 5, and then 1 single crochet. So everything goes on the next chain 4 space. So same way, work in all the chain 4 spaces, 1 single crochet, chain 5, 1 double triple crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 1 double crochet, and then 1 triple crochet, and then 1 double triple crochet, and then chain 5 and work 1 single crochet on the chain 4 space. So we have 2 more chain 4 spaces left. So we have worked 3 petals so far, and we are going to repeat the same thing in the next 2 chain 4 spaces as well. So work a single crochet, chain 5, 1 double triple crochet, yarn over thrice and work 1 double triple crochet, and then work 1 triple crochet, and then work 1 double crochet, and then work 1 triple crochet, and then work 1 double triple crochet, and work a chain 5, and then work a single crochet on the chain 4 space. So repeat the same thing on the last chain 4 space for the last petal, and once you have worked your last single crochet, work 1 more slip stitch on the starting single crochet to close this round 2. So now once you have worked your last single crochet, work a slip stitch on your starting single crochet to close this round 2. Then you can fasten off and weave all the odd ends of your yarn, and then that's it. We have made 1 earring. So now you can see the earring is super wobbly, it's not stiff. For us to attach our earring hooks, so we need to block these earrings. So I usually block these earrings with 1 part of glue, white glue, and 1 part of water. Dip my work in that and air dry it for about a day. So I have posted a earring tutorial wherein I show the complete blocking instruction. I will post the link of that tutorial in the description. You can check this out. So now the earring is blocked. You can see the difference. It's nice and stiff. Now it's time for us to attach the earring hooks to the earring. So I'm gonna just insert my hook to any of those petals here, and that's it. Our cute flower earrings is done. So this is such a simple and easy pattern, perfect for Mother's Day, or you can give a gift for teachers or colleagues or your friends. They're going to enjoy it. Try making them in different colors, and if you have an Instagram account, do post your work and tag me in your posts when you make these earrings. So I'll be happy to see that. And if you want a free written pattern and many other free patterns, you can check it in the description. It will take you to my blog, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. And if you have an Instagram account, consider following me on my Instagram handle, where I post project updates and fun reels. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.